Hello, in this video we show you the location of the fuses for the headlamps on the Citroen C4 MK2. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you the location of the main fuse boxes on this Citroen C4. There is two fuse boxes here in the engine bay compartment. This is the main fuse box, engine bay 1 fuse box. There is another fuse box here in the engine bay area. It's just above the battery. It's right there. The other big fuse box is in the driver's compartment. It's here in the fascia. It's behind this plastic panel. You pull it down and there is the fascia fuse box in there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Next I'll show you a diagram of all the fuse boxes on this Citroen C4. I've already shown you the main fuse boxes and the smaller fuse boxes are around them. Next I'll show you the location of the fuses for the headlamps on this Citroen C4. Fuses are located in engine bay 1 fuse box, and fuses here are F10, F11, F21, F23, F24, F27 and F28. There is also another fuse for the headlamps, which is in the fascia 1 fuse box, and the fuse there is F37. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.